Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice oral expression. Today we will use what we learned before: animals and past simple, irregular verbs. We will do it with 3 exercises.
Great. Emma, I am ready to speak.
First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat short phrases with clear rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you say a short text slowly and clearly. Finally, describe the picture helps you talk about what you see in simple words.
That sounds useful. Short steps help me feel confident.
Exactly. Let's start with shadowing now. Listen and repeat after me. Shadowing. In shadowing, you will hear a short phrase. Listen and repeat right after it.
Okay. I will listen first and then repeat.
I saw a cat. She had a dog. We went to the farm. The bird flew away. Did you see the fish? I did not see the lion. He found a rabbit. They took a photo. The duck was near the pond. We ate lunch outside. The horse ran fast. The cow stood in the field. I heard a mouse. The pig slept in the sun. The sheep were quiet. Yesterday, I saw a bird. Did they find the dog? We did not touch the fish. Read aloud. Nice work with shadowing. Now we move to read aloud. Read the text out loud. Nexo will read it first.
I am ready. I will read slowly.
After Nexo, it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text calmly.
Yesterday, I went to a small farm with my family. I saw a horse, a cow, and 2 ducks near the water. This morning, my sister found a rabbit in the garden. We did not touch it, but we took a photo and gave it some quiet space.
Well done, Nexo. You read aloud very clearly.
Thank you, Emma. The text was simple and useful.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text out loud. Describe the picture. Great work, everyone. Now we will describe the picture. Look at the image and describe what you see. Try to use the words shown and the grammar we studied.
I will try. I can use short sentences.
Good. Nexo, you go first, and then the viewer will try.
In the picture, I can see a sunny farm. A dog is near a small cat, and a bird is on the fence. There is a horse, a cow, and a sheep in the field. Near the pond, 2 ducks swim, and orange fish are in the water. A pig sleeps by the barn. A rabbit sits in the grass, and a small mouse is under a box. A child holds a toy lion. Maybe he saw the animals this morning.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the picture in your own way. Try to use the words shown.
And short sentences are okay, right?
Yes. Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. The dog is near the cat. Example word duck. The duck is near the fish. Now you, listening at home, pause and speak. Little by little, you will do it better.